construction of tangents of a circle. Okay. Construction of tangents of a circle. Okay. So, how to construct a tangent to a circle? So, first of all, we'll discuss the general way, then we'll do the questions of exercise. Suppose there is a circle, okay, of any radius. It is given ki draw a radius circle of this much radius, so you have to draw the circle. Okay, suppose there is an external point P. From this you have to make the tangent. Okay, so first step is join O and P. Okay, first step is join O and P. O is the center of the circle, P is the point from which we have to make the tangent. Okay, OP बनाने के बाद will make perpendicular bisector of OP. Perpendicular bisector कैसे बनाते हैं? OP के हाफ से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, जैसे OP अगर 8 सेंटीमीटर का है तो हाफ कितना होगा? 4 सेंटीमीटर. 4 से थोड़ा ज्यादा एक आर्क बनाना है. Keeping fixed point here, fixed end of the compass here, making a arc here and a arc here from point P. Fixed point तो यहाँ रखा है और पेंसिल से ये दोनों आर्क्स बनाए. और क्या मेजरमेंट का? मोर देन हाफ द OP. OP का जो OP सपोज 8 सेंटीमीटर है तो हाफ OP होगा 4 सेंटीमीटर. 4 सेंटीमीटर से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ये दोनों आर्क्स बनाएंगे. फिक्स्ड एंड कंपास ऑफ कंपास शुड बी एट P and making this two arcs. Next step is keeping fixed end here and cutting these two arcs. Fixed end यहाँ रखेंगे कंपास का और इन दोनों आर्क्स को कट करेंगे. इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हमको एक्चुअली परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मिल गया. किसका? OP का. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मतलब ये लाइन इसकी परपेंडिकुलर भी है और ये OP को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. ठीक है, अब लेट दिस पॉइंट बी M और P को रेडियस लेके taking MP as radius will make one circle. Okay, taking MP as radius will make one circle this way. Okay, the point at which this circle touches the original circle, let us name them Q and R. Join PQ and PR. PQ and PR are required tangents. Okay, exercise 11.2, question number 1. Okay, draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So everybody will take, first of all क्या करेंगे? कंपास का फिक्स्ड एंड रखेंगे स्केल के पे और 6 सेंटीमीटर मेजर करेंगे. ओके, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसे स्केल होगी. तो स्केल का कंपास का फिक्स्ड एंड तो यहाँ पे रखेंगे और उसको ओपन करेंगे such that it shows 6 centimeter and then we'll make a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, so first step is making a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Everybody draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, so first step is making a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Okay, now from a point 10 centimeter away from the center, name its center O. Okay, complete till here. Mark a point P such that distance between O and P is 10 centimeter. Okay, because from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct a pair of tangents. So from O, mark a point P such that distance between O and P is 10 centimeter. Made?
Yes.
So next is we have to bisect OP. How will bisect OP? More than half OP we have to take. Okay, तो OP अगर 10 सेंटीमीटर है तो 5 सेंटीमीटर से थोड़ा बड़ा आर्क लेंगे. Measure it with a scale more than 5 centimeter. Keep fixed end of compass here and make a arc here and a arc here. Again, keep fixed end of compass here and cut those two arcs. Okay. Then join these 2 points. This will give us the midpoint of OP. Okay. So do till here. Taking MO as radius, make a circle. Taking M as center and MO as radius, make a circle. ठीक है. MO, M as center and MO as radius, make a circle. Okay. Let the point where it touches the original circle be Q and R. Join PQ and PR. These are the required tangents. PQ and PR are required tangents. We can check actually whether our answer is correct or not. See, if I join OQ, okay, you don't have to join up. अब join नहीं करना है, ये सिर्फ हम checking के लिए कर रहे हैं. Our construction question is completed. Okay. This is 90 degree because this is tangent and this is radius. Okay, so radius and tangent always forms 90 degree. This we have seen in previous chapter. ठीक है. अब OQ की लेंथ है, शुरू में जो सर्कल बनाया था हमने उसकी लेंथ थी 6 सेंटीमीटर. ये जो OP है that is 10 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, so it is a right triangle. Okay, right triangle is there this way. Okay, this is 10 centimeter. So hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Basically base we have to find and perpendicular is 6 centimeter. Okay, so PQ square plus 6 square. So 10 square minus 6 square equals to PQ square. Okay, so 10 square minus 6 square equals to PQ square. So 10 minus 6, 10 plus 6 equals to PQ square. So 4 into 16 equals to PQ square, or PQ equals to 16 4 are 64. So PQ is 8 centimeter. So our answer is coming correct.